Alright, what we're going to do is clean out the interior of the Geo Metro XFI. As you can see, it's been neglected. Just haven't driven it. Actually, this is how I bought it. It was in this shape. You know, not an expensive car, so what do you expect? There are a lot of things that don't work. Look at all those leaves up there. So this is a start, and take the tires out, obviously, and then maybe I'll rip up the carpet. That's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. A lot of work here. This is the before. Alright, so we got everything out. And it's just a lot of leaves and crap. There's a subwoofer in there. Just needs a lot of work. I don't know what was going on here with the speaker wires. It's a project. We had actually got the spare in there. I had a couple 12-inch tires. Alright, so as we're still cleaning, as you can see, I haven't gotten to this door jamb yet, but I've vacuumed the interior. I haven't done the dash. Back is pretty much done. As you can see, the back interior is done, cleaned up, ready to go. Put a cardboard down there. I've done this door. As you can see, the difference between this door and the door jamb there. Looks much better. Still got to do the dashboard and use stick shift, and yeah, there's still a lot more to do. Back here I've done, and yeah, it's getting there. It's coming along. Carpet needs to be still dirty, but looks a lot better, and it runs good. So more time I'm going to put into it. The Geo is completely clean. As you can see, I cleaned the door jambs, I don't know what they're called, inside of the door. Carpet obviously cleaned. Everything in here is clean. Stick shift, gears, dashboard's clean. As clean as it'll get. The back seat, obviously the carpet is trashed. Back seat is clean. Here. Come around. We got the trunk. The back is cleaned up. Still a little messed up there. And clean the side of the door jamb, everything like that. It's all cleaned up. Back there. That's it. Steering wheel's cleaned up. It's like a new car. A very small new car. That's it, the Geo Metro XFI.